Hello children, how are all of you doing today? Are you ready to start learning? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Fantastic. Do you remember the name of the story we talked about last time? What was it called? It was called A Loud Noise. Children, now would you like to read the story with me? Wonderful. I will read a line from the story and you will repeat that line after me. Let's start. A loud noise. Boom, boom, boom. It was a loud noise. Who was making that noise? The insects want to know. The bee came out to look. The grasshopper hopped out to look. The butterfly woke up to look. Soon, the ants crawled out to look. There is no one around. It must be the elephants walking to the pond. Say the ants. Children, now let's learn to read some words. I'm going to say a word and you are going to repeat that word after me. Shall we start? All right. Was, must, soon, that, look, to, must, that, to, look, soon, was, Were you able to read all the words correctly? Great job. Children, look at this screen. Do you see some pictures here? Yes? Can you arrange these pictures in the correct order? Which insect comes first? Which comes second? Which comes third? What comes fourth? And what comes last? Can you arrange them in the right order? Parents, please pause the video and allow your child to rearrange the pictures in the correct order. Once they are done, you can press play and the correct answers will appear on the screen. Thank you. Children, in this story, we saw 4 insects come and look for the noise one by one. Who came first? The bee came first. Next came the grasshopper. Then came the butterfly. And finally came the ant. So there are 4 important words that we used here. First, next, then, and finally. Just like these 4 insects came out one by one, we also do things every day one by one. For example, first in the morning, I wake up. Next, I brush my teeth. Then, I drink some tea. And finally, I go to work. Now, can you tell me about 4 things that you do in the morning? Just like this? Remember to use the words first, next, then, and finally. Thank you.